Okay, hi everybody. So this is Woody here, and we are back again with the next video. So today I'll be sharing with you all a very fantastic technique that will help you to align your energy for the abundance that you do want in your life, and so that you can pull all of them towards you very quickly, right? So all you need to master this technique is a notebook, a pen, and your imagination. So, if you are ready, let me tell you that the personal energy around you for what you do want, it either calls it into your life, it either pulls it into your life or pushes it away. Correct. So you might be imagining of what you want in your life, but energetically you must be feeling negative about it, or you must be stuck, or there is some sort of inner yuckiness in there that just holds you back. Correct. So this is just because of the fact that under the surface you are focusing on the lack of it, while mentally you are thinking of what you do want in your life. Correct. So if this is you and you can relate to this, then please mention in the comment section below with I can relate. Correct. So it will just take few seconds for you. If you feel this, like all of us have somewhere or the other felt about this, mention in the comment section below that I can relate, so that we can start the technique. So next we are going to start this technique together, and the technique is the focus wheel technique, and we are going to align this energy of yours together in this video live. So I'll be sharing everything step by step so that all of us can do it together. So let's get started. Okay, so we are back here. Okay, so let's start it step by step. So the step one is get yourself a plain sheet of paper. It can be lined or ruled, it's definitely all up to you. I have taken a plain sheet of paper. Okay, so the step two is that we are gonna draw a giant circle. Okay, so let's do it together. Like, we are gonna draw a giant circle. Okay, we are also gonna draw a tiny circle inside. Like, here is the tiny circle inside that I have drawn. Okay, now this circle is the symbol or the source of abundance that you do want in your life, or this is the energy field from which a manifestation would arrive of what do you want. Okay, now the step 3 is that we are gonna draw spokes into it. Like, it can be 8 or it can be 12, just to make a wheel. Okay, now I'll be selecting 8. Okay, because it's easier. So let's make it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so here it's done. Now the next step is to write whatever you desire in the center area. Okay, like here, that represents the energy field. So this represents the energy field. So if you do not know what you want, but you know what you don't want, then what are you gonna write? Now, for example, if you are feeling stuck in your life, okay, so write here that I enjoy the flow of life. Okay, or taking the example that we discussed in the previous video, that you do not want to gain weight or you do not want to become fat, then write here that I desire for the right body or right fitness. Okay, write something positive, write something energetic, write something that makes you feel happy. Don't write any negative stuff. Okay, so let's just wipe all the negative energy from here. Cool. So let's take a very basic example. Now I'll be taking a very basic example of money or financial abundance. Okay, so that all of us can relate. So now I'll be writing something really specific here. I won't be writing money, or I won't be writing financial abundance. So for example, let's write here, like, I'll be writing 3,000 US dollars. Okay, so I have written 3,000 US dollars. Now this is something that makes me happy, having a lot of money. Okay, now what are we gonna do is that we are going to list all the 8 things here that makes us feel happy, which is in alignment to this particular energy field. Now, for example, for the first one, if I write that I love the feeling of receiving money. Okay, so the first one that I have written is that I love the feeling of receiving money. Now, this is something which is in alignment to what I want in abundance, and this is something that is the fact, that is the truth for me, and I feel happy when I'll be having this. So, this both are in alignment, and this relates. Now, you are going to write the second thing here. Now, what are you gonna write is that you will be continuing this for all the 8 spokes. Okay, so now you will be continuing this for all the 8 spokes. So you'll be writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 such thoughts that are in alignment to the abundance that you want. Okay, and so if you feel good about this, okay, we'll be moving to the next one. Write next one. If you feel good about that, write the third one. Okay, so now you have to write something of your own. Like I'll be writing of my own, you write of your own. It is, I have written my 8 things, you can choose of your own. Okay, so now let's see this. So the first thing that we already discussed is I love the feeling of receiving money. So now this is the truth, this is the fact for me, this is what something gives happiness to me, and this is an alignment to the energy field of what I want in abundance. Okay, so now the second one is my products create hundreds of success stories every day, so I know I am of value. Okay, now this is something that makes me feel good. So value is an exchange of money again. So again, this is an alignment. I feel good about this. So now we'll be moving to the next one. If this doesn't make you feel happy, choose something else, write something else. Imagine till the time you don't feel happy about it. Okay, so the third one is I love the feeling of financially backed up. I love that feeling when I have a lot of money, when I'm backed up with money. Okay, so the next one, fourth is I love to help others by my wealth. Oh my god, this makes me feel so much happy. This gives me so much positivity when it comes to that. When I have a lot of wealth, I love helping with my wealth to others. Okay, the next is I love abundant traveling and expensive things. Now all of us know that I love a lot of traveling, I love a lot of expensive things. So this is only and only possible when I have a lot of money. So again, this both are into alignment, and this is something that makes me feel happy for what I want to have in my life. Next, money is an exchange of value, and I love being valued. Okay, so this is something that again makes me feel so really good. Next up we have having money in my hand, I feel more confident to communicate and tackle any complex situation. Okay, so now I feel really happy when I have a lot of money in my hand, and I feel a lot of confidence to communicate to anybody, to tackle any complex situation where I am stuck. So it makes me feel really happy. So this is something about it, and again it's an alignment of what I do want. Next, I am the rich daughter of an universe, and so I inherit its money as my allowance. Okay, let me repeat. I am the rich daughter of an abundant universe, and so I inherit its money as my allowance. Okay, so now this makes me feel really elated, really good. Okay, so now all of these 8 things are something that I have imagined for myself, for my happiness, which I'll be striving to have a lot of money or financial abundance, or this 3,000 US dollars. Okay, so now this list that I have mentioned here, it makes me feel so much elated. Okay, it makes me feel really good. Okay, so this is the focus wheel for me now. Okay, now the focus is on the thoughts and the ideas. They are in alignment with the abundance of what I want. Okay, so now if you feel really elated by this, and if you have tried this, and if you feel happy about it, then please mention in the comment section below by writing I am elated, so that I can get to know that how many of you really felt positive, or how much it is beneficial or helpful to you. Okay, so I hope that this technique was helpful to you. Now, the only thing remaining in this focus wheel technique is to practice this on daily basis. Okay, so you need to practice this daily, so that you are going to pull all the positive energy and all the abundances, and you will be aligning your energy for what you do want in your life on daily basis. And it's just something that makes you feel happy, and it's just all about you again. Okay, and also if you like this technique, or if you want me to get more such hands-on techniques, and if you want to know about it more, then please mention in the comment section below by typing that I am elated or universe I love you. Okay, so that will be really helpful for me to know that how much impact this has created on y'all and how much I was helpful to you. So till then, bye, take care.